Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Cook with Cookie. So in today's recipe we are going to prepare Dal Rasam in a very simple way. Those who are learning how to cook, or else for bachelors, or if you don't have time but you need to eat something, prepare this Dal Rasam just within few minutes. So let's see how to prepare. Take a pressure cooker and add 1 full cup of tur dal into it. After adding this, wash it nicely, and after washing it nicely for 2 times, add 2 medium sized chopped tomatoes into the pressure cooker, and then 5 to 7 green chilies nicely cut and 1 medium sized onion chopped nicely add into it, and then half a tablespoon of mustard seeds and half a tablespoon of cumin seeds and 5 to 7 garlic cloves you need to add it, and add 2 full cups with the cup which you have taken the tur dal. Add those 2 full cups of water, and then 1 tablespoon of chili powder, half a tablespoon of turmeric, and half a big lemon sized tamarind into it, and then just give it a quick stir and close the lid and allow it to get 3 whistles. While we get the whistles, take a small pan and add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil into it, and add half a tablespoon of cumin seeds, half a tablespoon of mustard seeds, 5 to 7 garlic cloves again, and 3 to 4 red chilies into this. Now this is the tampering or the tadka we are preparing for this dal rasam. Do not skip this because this adds more flavor to your dal rasam. Add fresh curry leaves. Curry leaves really adds or creates a flavor magic to this dal rasam. So don't skip adding this fresh curry leaves. Also, if you have coriander leaves, add that also, but do not skip this tampering or the tadka because that is the main important flavored thing that adds to your dal rasam. So see, after 3 whistles, this tur dal is nicely cooked. So take a smasher and then you smash it nicely. Some people, what they do is they add into the mixie jar and they blend it nicely. Don't do that because while you eat with rice, that tur dal should be grainy enough. So half smashed and half grainy, that is really awesome when you eat it. So add salt to taste now, and then add another 2.5 cups of water with which you have taken the tur dal with the same quantity. Add that water and put it on high flame and give it a nice boil. See, it's nicely boiled and that froth is formed on top of it. This is the time you simmer, and then add the tampering or the tadka into the dal rasam. So here I have added into the tadka and then I have stirred nicely and then added it. For some people, what they do is instead of adding oil to the tadka, they add ghee also. That brings more taste to the dal rasam. That's it. Your dal rasam is all ready. Hardly if you have 10 minutes time, you can prepare this delicious dal rasam. Trust me, you can enjoy this with white rice also. So don't forget to subscribe our channel for more interesting videos. Thank you.